Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson on the composition of food nutrients. This lesson will help you understand what nutrients are in our food and why they are important for our health. By the end of this lesson, you will know the major nutrients our body needs and their roles in our health. Food is essential for our growth and survival. We get our food from both plants and animals. Nutrients in our food are very important for our body. Today, we'll talk about the major nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, and why they are important. These nutrients are made up of different elements, such as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Understanding these elements helps us understand how nutrients work in our body. The three major nutrients in food are carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Carbohydrates and fats give us the energy we need to do work. Proteins provide the building blocks for our body's growth and development. These nutrients are made up of different elements like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Let's take a closer look at each of these nutrients and their importance. Nutrients are made up of different elements. The major elements that make up our food are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Carbohydrates and fats are mainly composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, while proteins also contain nitrogen and sometimes sulfur. These elements combine in different ways to form the nutrients that our body needs. Proteins are composed of carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. Proteins are very important for the growth and repair of our body. They are the building blocks that help us grow. Proteins are found in foods like meat, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts. These foods provide the amino acids that our body needs to build and repair tissues. Carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They are the main source of energy for our body. Foods like bread, rice, pasta, fruits, and vegetables are rich in carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, which is used by our cells for energy. There are two types of carbohydrates: simple carbohydrates, like sugar, and complex carbohydrates, like starch and fiber. Fats are also made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, but they have less oxygen compared to carbohydrates. Fats are important for storing energy and keeping us warm. They also help protect our organs and are essential for the absorption of certain vitamins. Foods like avocado, nuts, butter, and oils contain fats. There are different types of fats, including saturated, unsaturated, and trans fats, each with different effects on our health. We need vitamins and minerals in very small amounts, but they are crucial for our growth and for keeping our body functioning well. Vitamins are organic compounds that our body needs to function properly. There are 13 essential vitamins, including vitamins A, C, D, E, and the B-complex vitamins. Minerals are inorganic elements that also play important roles in our body, such as calcium for bones and iron for blood. Green vegetables and fruits are the main sources of vitamins and minerals. Water is an essential part of our diet. It helps with digestion, transporting nutrients, and regulating body temperature. Our body is made up of about 60% water, so it is very important to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water every day helps our body function properly. We get water from beverages and foods like fruits and vegetables, which have high water content. In summary, the major nutrients we need are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Each of these plays a crucial role in keeping us healthy. Proteins help with growth and repair, carbohydrates provide energy, fats store energy and support cell function, vitamins and minerals are essential for various bodily functions, and water is vital for hydration and bodily processes. Eating a balanced diet helps ensure we get all these nutrients. Let's recap what we've learned today about the composition of food nutrients and their importance for our health. Carbohydrates: these are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They are our main source of energy. We get carbohydrates from foods like bread, rice, pasta, fruits, and vegetables. Carbohydrates are essential for providing the energy we need for daily activities and bodily functions. Fats, also composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen but with a lower percentage of oxygen compared to carbohydrates. Fats store energy, help insulate our bodies, protect our organs, and aid in the absorption of certain vitamins. Foods like avocados, nuts, butter, and oils are rich in fats. Proteins, made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. Proteins are crucial for the growth and repair of our body tissues. We get proteins from meat, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts. Proteins provide the building blocks our body needs to grow and heal. Vitamins and minerals, these nutrients are needed in small quantities but are essential for maintaining growth and the proper functioning of our body. Vitamins like A, C, D, E, and B complex, along with minerals like calcium and iron, play various roles in our health. Green vegetables and fruits are excellent sources of these nutrients. Water, an essential part of our diet. Water is important for digestion, transporting nutrients, and regulating body temperature. Staying hydrated is crucial for all bodily functions. We get water from beverages and foods with high water content, like fruits and vegetables. By understanding these nutrients and their roles, we can make better dietary choices to ensure we get all the necessary nutrients our body needs to stay healthy. Remember, a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods will help you get the right mix of nutrients. Eating the right amounts of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and drinking plenty of water is key to maintaining good health.